Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, September 23rd. A record week last week, had a bit of profit taking on the day Friday, knocked the markets down some. We had the E-mini S&P finished at 1702, down 15. It was up 1.3%, again on the record week where they did touch new all-time highs at 1726 and 1/4. Dow futures down 170 on Friday, 15,903. The Dow lost 1.2% on Friday, but did finish up 0.5% on the week. The NASDAQ made new all-time highs, not all-time highs anyways, new 13-year highs since 2000 highs in the NASDAQ on Friday, but then closed lower, so we'll want to keep an eye on that. Technically, that's somewhat destructive. It got as high as 3241.5, closed at 3216.5, down 16. When we saw the heavy unwinding Friday afternoon, from noon on, it was just selling with a lot of built-up profits, obviously. The NASDAQ did end up finishing up 1.4% on the week. The currencies were quiet. The dollar index was down 7 at at 8055. The euro was down 6, 135.24. The euro currency did gain 234 pips or ticks on the week. Bonds were up 0.5 point, 131.22. Crude oil gave up $1.11 at 104.75. Had a range between 106.10 and 104.50, so still holding in this 105-ish area to look to see if this can be support on a weekly basis. And gold gave back some of its gains, down $37 on Friday at 13.33, but it did gain $24 on the week. So after the record week last week and some profit taking on Friday, where do the markets stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading week? Well, right now we're positive. We're up 2.5 points in the E-mini S&P at 1705. 1703 and 3/4 was the high from last Monday, so that was the breakout that they pushed above on Wednesday. So we'll look to see how that acts on a weekly basis as support down below. Right now, the Dow futures are up 14, 15,417, and the Nasdaq's up 8.5, 3225, getting back some of those points they gave up on Friday. Looking at the currencies, again quiet, 8053 below 81 in the dollar index, looking to see if it can test those February lows at 8,000 actually. And the euro right now is at 135.16, down 9. See if it can push up to those February highs at 136. Bonds are quiet right now, 131.18, down a couple ticks, and the yield on the 30-year Treasury stands pat at 3.76%, with the yield on the 10-year note at 2.75%. Looking at crude's up 20 cents right now at 104.95. It lost $3.50 on the week last week, so it's trying to recover and come back to that breakout point that we saw where the market was sitting before the Syria issues developed. Gold right now is down $9 at $13.23 as it stands here Monday morning. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive after the heavy profit taking at the end of the week last week, but still very positive on the week. We're sitting up 2.5 points at 1705 in the E-mini S&P and up 14 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.